Hey guys, Kid07. Today I'm really bored. Basically, I've already uploaded 2 videos, and one was FIFA, and the second one was talking about that and about the new series. I'm actually so bored now. I'm gonna make paper airplanes. That's how bored I am. I'm gonna make 5, I think, and I'm just gonna speed up the video of each one. So yeah guys, I'm in my dining room now and I'm ready. I've got my paper and I'm ready to make my paper airplanes.
I'm the head of the motherfucking state, nigga. I brought you change, nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga? I won't die, I'm the shit, that's what Michelle said. Secret Service, but I got my own SK. See Hillary, that's my motherfucking nigga. I hang in DC with them Senate House killers. Baraka Flocka Flame, one hood ass nigga. In the 6'4", bending corners, my nigga. Got a main bitch, got a mistress, a couple daughters, I'm so hood rich. My staff go hard, we be smoking. I pass bills, free shawty, no joking. Hey, what I stand for? Change, nigga. I'ma die for this country, man, I swear to God. In the trap with some killers and some hood niggas. Where you at? Where's your trap? You ain't hood, nigga. Keep this shit 300, put that shit on my hood. Crips fucking with me, G's in the vice mode. Essays in the Miko, freestyle off the dome. President Baraka Flocka Flame, it's fucking on. I'm the head of the motherfucking state, nigga. Thank you. Bringing
Guys, so I've just finished making my paper airplanes. There's the first one I made. There's the second one. There's the third one. 4th. And 5th. I'm gonna try them out now. Why not? I don't think any of them will work, but that's just me for you. Okay. Here's the number 1. I'm gonna try 2 times with each one. Okay. Number 1 for number 1. Beast. Number 2. For number 1, let's go. You can probably see it fly this time. Shit, crash landing. Okay, number 2, trial number 1. Oh shit. Okay, at least it flies. Okay, trial number 2. Fucking hell, man. Really bad. Okay, so that's... Try the little one now. Number 3. Boy, that's my favourite one. Yeah. No? This one. Number 3, trial number 1. I don't think you'll see this one. But anyway. Go. Fuck. See if it flies this time. Trial number 2. No, that one's shit. It'll be going in the fire. Okay. This one, number 4. And number 1. Let's go. I think it's the small ones that don't work. And number 2. Bloody hell, it's so bad. Okay, number 5. Try number 1. Nah. Okay, I can't be asked to do that, then we've got time. So thanks for watching guys, it's been me making paper airplanes. I'm still incredibly bored, but oh well, please like, subscribe and comment ideas for other videos.